Tired of everyone seeing your private discussions? You know the feeling. You set up a channel for your moderators or your close team, and suddenly every member of the server can read along. It defeats the whole purpose. Well, here's the good news. You can create secret text and voice channels in Discord in under 2 minutes. No complicated settings, no digging through menus. Let me show you exactly how. Here's the plan. We'll start by clicking the plus icon next to any category. Then we choose text or voice, give it a name, flip the private channel switch, and select exactly who gets access. That's it. Let's jump in. All right, first things first. Look over on the left sidebar of your Discord server. You'll see your channel categories: general, text channels, voice channels, that sort of thing. Right next to each category name, there's a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that. This is the same button you'd use to add any channel, but we're going to do something special with it. So now that you've clicked the plus, a new window pops up. Discord wants to know what kind of channel you're creating. You've got 2 choices, text or voice. Think about what you need. If you want a place for written discussions, private announcements, or sharing files that only certain people can see, pick text. If you want a private voice room for meetings, gaming sessions, or just hanging out without the whole server listening in, pick voice. Click whichever one fits. Next up, give your channel a name. This is important because everyone who has access will see it in their sidebar. Keep it clear and descriptive. For example, if it's for your moderation team, call it something like Mod Chat or Staff Voice. Type it into the channel name box. Take your time. You can always change it later if you need to. Now, here's the key step. This is what makes the whole thing work. Look for the toggle that says Private Channel. By default, it's switched off. Click it to turn it on. When you do, Discord will tell you that only specific members or roles you choose will be able to see this channel. That's exactly what we want. Go ahead and toggle it on. Once you do that, the next button lights up. Click it. This takes us to the permission screen, where the real magic happens. Now we're at the selection screen. This is where you decide who gets in. You'll see a list of all the roles in your server, things like moderators, admins, or any custom roles you've created. You might also see individual members listed. Here's the thing. I've tested this many times, and using roles is almost always better than picking individual people. Why? Because if you add someone to the moderator role later, they automatically get access. You don't have to remember to add them to the channel. So check the boxes next to the roles you want. For example, check moderator and admin. If you need to add a specific person who doesn't have a fitting role, you can check their name too. But roles are the way to go for long-term sanity. All right, you've made your selections. Now just click the Create Channel button at the bottom. Discord does the rest. In about 1 second, that new private channel appears in your sidebar. Only the people you selected can see it. Everyone else won't even know it exists. And that's really all there is to it. You've gone from a chaotic server where anyone can see everything to a nice, organized space with private channels for your specific teams. Whether it's for moderators, VIP members, or just a secret hangout spot for your closest friends, you now have total control over who sees what. If you found this helpful, give this video a like. And if you want more practical tips like this one, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.